Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Novaldo Agus Wijayanto, and I am making this video to complete my sermon, which is Islamic education about weakness of morals, proof of lack of faith. There are 6 questions that I will answer. Question number 1. What is the connection between faith and morality? Faith is such a power that it keeps man away from low attributes and mean acts, and encourage him to achieve high attributes and clean morals. That is why whenever Allah called his slaves towards virtue, or whenever he wanted them to hate evil, he declared it as an essential requirement of the faith in their hearts. Allah's messenger has nicely explained it that when faith is firm and belief is strong, then strong and lasting moral will be developed. And if the moral of character is low, the faith will be accordingly be weak. Question number 2. Who is the poor in front of Allah in the hereafter? The poor in front of Allah in the hereafter is someone who had no dirham or money. The companion of the Prophet also said, "In my ummah, the poor is that man who would appear on the day of the judgment before Allah. He had offered prayer, he had paid zakat, he had observed fast, but he would have abused somebody. He would have falsely accused someone. He would have unauthorizedly taken someone else's property. He would have hit somebody. All his virtues would be given to his victims. If his virtues are finished before his wicked deeds are finished, then the errors and sins of the victims would be given to him, and he would be thrown into the hell." Question number 3. What are the characteristics of a hypocrite? Let's start off with what is hypocrite. Hypocrite is when wickedness is nourished in the self, and the loss caused by it has become manifest, and the danger has increased. Then that man has come out of his religion. At that time, his claim of righteousness or faith will be false. The characteristics of a hypocrite are: when something is given to him in trust, he commits dishonesty. When he talks, he tells lies. When he makes a contract, he deceives. And when he quarrels, he starts abusing. These 4 habits are based off the hadith of Bukhari. Question number 4. What will happen to the person who performs all of the forms of worship but he doesn't know the significances of them? A man who commits the mistake of performing the various forms of worship without understanding their significance can only be a man who had not understood the spirit of the worship or has been unable to raise the standard. So basically, a person who doesn't know the significance of them and bad to their neighbors would go to hell even if they're good at it, gives things to charities. And when someone who doesn't do much the way of prayers and other forms of worship but still gives things to charities and does not harm his or her neighbors will be going to the paradise. Question number 5. Explain the following hadiths. Modesty and faith are twins. One who gives up one has to lose the other two. The meaning behind hadith modesty and faith are twins. One who gives up one has to lose the other two is: a Muslim should refrain from being ill-mannered and immodest. When a Muslim has strong faith, his or her character will also be strong. If his or her character is very weak, then the faith will also be very weak. And last but not least, question number 6. When is our worship regarded as useful for us as well as for the others? Our worship is regarded as useful for us as well as for the others when it strengthens our faith, improves our morals, and translates into actions that benefit society. If worship does not lead to better character and behavior, it indicates a weakness in faith. True worship prevents immorality and wrongdoing and inspires us to be compassionate and just, reflecting the essence of strong faith. And that's all of my answers for these 6 questions about weakness of morals, proof of lack of faith. If I do make any mistakes, please forgive me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.